Have you ever wondered what draws people to one another? Relationships form the foundation of our social lives. They provide support, fulfillment, and can enhance our psychological well-being. On this journey, we'll explore the fascinating world of interpersonal attraction and relationships. Let's dive into the key factors that influence attraction. First, we'll discuss proximity. Being physically close to someone increases interaction. The more we see others, the more we tend to like them. This is known as the mere exposure effect. Essentially, familiarity breeds fondness. Next is similarity. When we share attitudes, values, and interests, we create strong connections. These commonalities reduce friction and build trust. They lay the groundwork for lasting relationships. Now, let's talk about reciprocal liking. It feels good to know someone likes us back. This mutual affection acts as a powerful attraction force. When we receive positive signals from others, we often respond positively in return. Physical attractiveness plays a significant role too. It shapes our initial impressions and can influence mate selection. However, long-term relationship quality relies on deeper elements like compatibility and communication. It's not just about looks. Moving on to relationship dynamics, we encounter attachment theory. Early relationships shape our adult interactions. Secure attachment fosters relationship satisfaction. Conversely, insecure styles can lead to dependency or emotional distancing, complicating connections. Next, we examine relationship satisfaction and maintenance. Key predictors include effective communication, empathy, and conflict resolution. Relationships thrive when partners listen actively, express needs clearly, and negotiate constructively. Conflict is inevitable. But how couples manage conflict can determine their relationship's future. So, why is this understanding crucial? Fields like counseling and human resources benefit from knowledge about attraction and relationship dynamics. Interventions can help couples enhance communication and address attachment insecurities. In workplaces, awareness of relationship dynamics can shape team effectiveness and resolve conflicts. In summary, proximity, similarity, reciprocal liking, and physical attractiveness influence interpersonal attraction. Relationships thrive on effective communication, empathy, and strategic conflict management. Understanding these elements enhances our lives and strengthens our communities. Now, what's next? Reflect on your relationships. Identify patterns of attraction and dynamics. Consider engaging with resources that can deepen your connections or improve your relationship skills. Let's create healthier, happier relationships together.